78.
78 anni.
Aha, 78 anni. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Okay.
What's up YouTube family, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to one of the most luxurious streets here in Milan, Monte Napoleone. So if you guys saw my first video here, you would have seen just a brief introduction to the street, but there were so many people. So today I've come back here, it's a Monday and it is way less crowded, which is amazing. We could actually shoot some cool stuff here today. Hey man, excuse me.
Sorry.
Okay, I'm shooting a video for my YouTube channel.
No.
No, I take photos of strangers when I like their style, their look. You can see, look, I just got this guy here. And if you want, I can send it to you as well.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, perfect. So if you stand maybe here, and I can get you like this, standing against the wall. Where are you from? Are you from here?
Yes.
Milan.
Yes, Milan.
Perfect. So, and looking at me in this direction. Yeah.
With sunglasses or no?
Let's try two. One without, one without. And maybe one like this, just holding the sunglasses. Yeah, perfect. And let's just try one more just over here on the street. If you stand a little bit to the right. The sun. A little more. Oh, a little this way maybe. The sun. Just the sun. El sol. Es muy fuerte. Sí. Así. Go a little bit more. Stop there. Stop in the light. Okay, check them out.
Okay.
Yes, bello.
Yes.
Nice ones. Good one.
Bello,
Oh, molto bello. I like your clothes, really nice. Muy
Really?
bella. Yeah.
Yes, but yes, thank you, but
No, okay, no problem.
No.
Where are
I
you
hope
from?
you
Are you from
understand.
Milan?
I'm from Milan.
Okay.
Yeah. 100% from Milan.
Milan. Ok, ciao. Scusi,
Sì?
sto girando un video per YouTube.
Ok.
I like your look. Posso farti una foto?
Oh, okay, thank
And
you.
I'll send you the picture too.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Okay, let's stand just here so we have this cool view. Where are you from?
Vicenza.
I have no idea.
Near Venice.
Oh, I was just there.
Okay.
Some of my friends have a vineyard in cerca di Treviso.
Okay.
They make prosecco.
Vado Piadine.
Yes, that's where it is. So beautiful.
Yes.
So beautiful. Okay, so just stand here. Come a little bit closer actually, just out of the sun. Perfect, just there. Yeah, you know. Chin down just a little bit. Chin down just a little bit. Awesome. Bella camera. Yes, stay like that. And maybe something like this with this hands. The bag. Yeah. And one more. Yes, perfect. Okay. Yes, stay there. Okay, check him out.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Okay, have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Ciao.
Remember time.
Scusi, sto girando un video per YouTube. You speak Italiano?
Per?
YouTube.
Per la YouTube.
Posso farti una foto? Your style mi gusta. You have a cool style. Qua, mirando qua. Let's try. Look, amazing. Bello.
Bene.
Bene, no? Bene. Una más.
Sai quanti anni io? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 8.
78. That's your age?
I no smoke, no alcol, niente. 3, 4 caffè al di.
Aldi, 3.
3,
Yo también, yo también.
Dove sei?
Ajá.
Da dove
Ah,
originario?
Nueva Zelanda.
Ah, Nuova Zelanda.
Nueva Zelanda, muy lejos.
Al sud di Australia?
Sì.
L'Italia è più beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Ok.
Yes.
Italy, mare.
Italy, I love it.
Eh?
I love it.
Sì. Loro piano, sì?
Mhm.
No? Hai comprato la stoffa?
Comprato.
Sarto? No? Questo, sarto. Artigianale. Questo. Vedi?
And you made this?
Metti tanti.
No, tu hai fatto? No?
No. Ah, è sartoria.
Ok, ok.
Artigian. Io ho comprato la stoffa.
Aha, allora. 8.
78 anni.
Aha, 78 anni. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Ok.
Look at all of these cool designer stores, you guys. I have to say, I'm feeling Milan in the sun. Really, the last 3 days have been super cloudy. Today has been the first sunny day and it's beautiful. Scusi, you speak English, Spanish? Italian?
English.
English, perfect.
Yeah.
Nice. I'm shooting a video for my YouTube channel.
Okay.
And I usually take photos of strangers when I like their style and their look.
Okay.
If you want a portrait.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'll send you the picture too.
Oh, good.
I really like your outfit.
Okay, so what should I do?
Okay, so we can stand here in the middle of the road when the cars go.
Okay.
Where are you from? Do you live here in
I
Milan?
live here, yeah.
Awesome. I feel this way. It's looking good.
Okay. But I'm not very good in posing.
No, you look good. You look good.
So I'm gonna stay
Yeah, perfect. Yeah.
So
Yes, you already know one hand like this. Yeah. Give me like a serious look. Yeah. Yes, I love it. Okay, you're like, I'm not good at posing now, you're like a model. Let's do one more like with the,
try my best.
yeah, with the full look. Yes, perfect. Say that. Yeah, stay like that. Love it, love it. Stay there. And do you want to try some walking? So some walking shots. So you just walk towards me.
okay.
One sec. Let me show you.
Oh, that's cool. Nice.
Love that.
Yeah. Oh, nice. I like it.
Yeah, it is awesome.
Oh, cool.
Okay, so walking.
Okay.
Caminar, sí.
So I walk towards you.
Yeah. Let's do kind of a, so if you start here and you walk this way
Okay.
and just looking straight and you can do like this, yeah? How's life in Milan? Good?
Yeah, it's good.
Mm-hmm.
Chill.
It's fun.
It's fun.
I live in Barcelona,
Barcelona, where are you from?
New Zealand.
Oh, New Zealand.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So
Have you been?
No, I've
No.
never been there.
Oh yeah.
I should go.
It's really cool. If you like the nature. Nature.
Nature, and I love it.
Then New Zealand's the place.
Oh, nice.
Where are you originally from?
I'm originally from China,
Whereabouts?
southeast of China. The city called Wenzhou.
Mm-hmm. I don't know.
Yeah, it's very big. So
Yeah, so, well, I know a little bit. 你今天过得好吗?
Oh, that's
How?
very hot.
How? 很好，我很好。Vamos, yeah. From there, yeah.
I should look at you.
See, walking here, but like looking at me. Okay, let's get him. Yeah. Okay, I think we got some. Usually the walking. Yes, love it.
Oh, nice.
And in focus, awesome.
Cool.
Perfect. And just,
Photographer.
yeah. I just want to like travel around and get the best styles and looks.
Okay.
Yeah.
I love fashion.
Yeah, no. I can tell like this, Milan is insane for fashion.
Yeah.
It's been so cool.
Okay, it was nice to talk to you.
Yes,
And I meet
awesome.
you.
And I'll see you, and I'll let you know when the video is ready.
Oh, video as well?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank
Zajin.
you.
Zajin.
Zajin.
Ciao.
Have a nice shot around.
Yes, grazie. Shishir. Ciao. You guys, can you hear that? Thunder. My only day of sun. And then what happened?